Chord progressions. Yeah, you know what it is. Clicking away. Does this guy even know what a chord is? Maybe he should play an instrument. Yeah, there we go. Or maybe if he plays a bigger instrument, then he'll play the right chords. Yes, or yeah, an actual instrument. Yes, then we will find all of the chord progressions. Truthfully, there's all kinds of chords. So many chords. And you can play them in all different kinds of ways. Strangely enough, we act like there's some black magic behind it all or a mysterious math problem that no one can solve. Now, I'm not a composer, but I do know that music is a lot more simple than it leads on. There's building blocks, and here's two things that I've used to keep it in check. This is auto chords. Hold on, let's change that to piano. Anyway, within it are all kinds of chord progressions for your musical creating process. We could change the feel to something creepy. It wasn't that creepy. Anyway, we could change the key to something like B flat minor. Ooh, that's nice. We can also randomize to really supercharge the creative process. Yeah. Moving on to hook theory. This place is magical. We'll start with one chord, A minor, and then I'm feeling G major, yeah. And then F major. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, and then it'll show a whole list of songs that other artists have used that same progression in. This is a good one.